guys, today we are going to learn how to customize a default text style for our post page. Let's get started. On the Wix editor, we're going to need to go to Pages and menu on the left, go to Blog Pages, and go to Post. So we're going to click on our post element and click on Settings. Here, let's go to the Design tab and go to Text Style and Color. And over here, we can customize our text style by selecting our preferred style, font, and font size. Oh, by the way, this one's for our paragraphs. By the way, you can select from fonts right here on Wix's font library, or you can upload your own fonts if you want to. So apart from that, you can also customize your font's size and select your preferred color. You can do the same for your other texts over here, such as your headings, heading title, heading 2, heading 3, and so on and so forth. So go ahead and set your text style however you want. And once you're all good, you can then close this window and hit the publish button so that the changes you've made will also reflect on your live site. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.